Welcome back to Spain Force Auto. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and iconic defense systems in modern military history, the MIM-104 Patriot missile system, a symbol of precision, power, and protection that forms a vital part of Spain's air defense network. What you're about to hear isn't just about a missile, it's about a guardian of the skies, engineered for one mission only, to intercept and destroy any threat before it reaches its target. The MIM-104 Patriot is a surface-to-air missile system originally designed by the United States, but it's now a key component of Spain's national defense. It's not simply a weapon, it's a complete defense ecosystem. The Patriot can detect, track, and eliminate enemy aircraft, drones, and even ballistic missiles. Within the Spanish Armed Forces, the Patriot represents not only cutting-edge technology but also a crucial layer of security within NATO's integrated air defense network. At first glance, the Patriot is an impressive sight. Its massive missile launchers mounted on heavy trucks, the radar unit spinning nearby, and the control center working in coordination, everything about this system speaks of readiness and power. In Spanish military parades, it looks majestic, the long missile tubes tilted upward, the Spanish flags waving proudly, the sunlight gleaming off the steel surface. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of vigilance and deterrence. The true strength of the Patriot lies in its radar. The system's AN/MPQ-65 radar can detect and track more than 100 targets simultaneously. Once a threat is detected, whether it's an incoming aircraft or missile, the radar calculates its trajectory, locks on, and the system's command unit decides the best interceptor to launch. Within seconds, a Patriot missile is fired, accelerating to over Mach 4, 4 times the speed of sound, to destroy the target in midair. This level of speed and precision defines the Patriot's reputation around the world. Spain operates modernized versions of the Patriot, including the PAC-2 and the PAC-3 missiles. The PAC-3 is particularly advanced, featuring hit-to-kill technology, meaning it doesn't rely solely on explosive power. Instead, it collides directly with the target using kinetic energy, delivering a direct impact that ensures complete destruction. This approach is far more accurate and efficient against high-speed, high-altitude threats such as ballistic missiles. Each Patriot battery functions like a small, mobile fortress. It includes a radar vehicle, a fire control center, multiple launchers, and power units, all working together as a single, synchronized system. It can be deployed within hours and set up almost anywhere, from remote bases to strategic city locations. In NATO exercises, Spain's Patriot units have demonstrated exceptional speed and precision, tracking and neutralizing simulated threats with near-perfect success rates. The Patriot has already proven itself in real combat situations around the world. In the Middle East and Europe, it has successfully intercepted enemy missiles and protected civilian populations from devastating attacks. These real-world experiences have allowed the system to evolve through constant upgrades, smarter software, faster processors, and enhanced radar sensitivity. Spain benefits from all these improvements, ensuring its Patriot systems are always equipped with the latest capabilities. When you see a MIM-104 Patriot system displayed at a military exhibition in Spain, it's hard not to admire the level of sophistication in every detail. From the massive launcher tubes to the intricate radar antenna, every element is a masterpiece of engineering. It's built to withstand extreme environments, rain, heat, dust, and vibration, and still deliver flawless performance. It's more than a machine, it's a symbol of modern deterrence and peace through strength. Of course, such advanced technology comes at a cost. Each Patriot battery costs tens of millions of euros, and maintaining it requires continuous investment. But this expense is justified by the protection it provides, shielding cities, critical infrastructure, and military bases from aerial threats. For Spain, it's an investment in national security, technological leadership, and international cooperation. During Spain's Armed Forces Day parades, when the Patriot rolls down the avenue surrounded by cheering crowds and waving flags, it evokes a sense of pride and safety. It reminds everyone that Spain's skies are guarded by some of the most advanced defense technology in existence. Behind every radar pulse and missile tube, there's a story of dedication, of soldiers trained to operate one of the world's most complex defense systems, ready to act at a moment's notice. In the broader picture, the MIM-104 Patriot represents more than just a military tool. It's a cornerstone of Spain's national defense, a symbol of commitment to its allies, and a demonstration of how far military technology has evolved. In an era where aerial threats are becoming more sophisticated, from hypersonic weapons to stealth drones, having a system like the Patriot means Spain is prepared for whatever comes next. So, when you see that long launcher truck standing proud in the Spanish sun, radar spinning, missiles pointed toward the horizon, remember, it's not just metal and machinery. It's a promise. A promise of vigilance, of strength, and of protection. The MIM-104 Patriot is the silent guardian of Spain's skies, always watching, always ready, always unshakable. This has been Spain Force Auto, and today, we've taken a closer look at the heart of Spain's air defense power, the MIM-104 Patriot missile system. A technological marvel, a national shield, and a true symbol of Spanish strength and resolve. The Patriot has already proven itself in real combat situations around the world. In the Middle East and Europe, it has successfully intercepted enemy missiles and protected civilian populations from devastating attacks. These real-world experiences have allowed the system to evolve through constant upgrades, smarter software, faster processors, and enhanced radar sensitivity. Spain benefits from all these improvements, ensuring its Patriot systems are always equipped with